Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking currency futures. Let's talk about the Japanese yen futures today with a low of 90.22, a high of 90.83 in the SEP contract, settled about 90.61, up about 0.25%. A lot of it having to do with Japanese GDP. The Japanese GDP numbers that came out last night jumped to 1.9% year over year. That's a pretty strong level considering that last month was down 0.9%, and that was the first interruption of positive growth, that number last month, in 28 years. Shinzo Abe, very happy to see that as he's going for re-election in about a month. Stability in that position would be very good for the yen overall and good for the Chinese economy. So when you look at Shinzo Abe presenting that data as part of his platform and economic growth being one of his main benefits as president, obviously those numbers help. Wages are rising as well. Japanese nominal wages rose 0.9%. Capital spending was edged up by about 1.3%. Wages overall rose by 0.9%. And again, the nominal wages, 4.3% year over year is the number that they came out with. So wages overall rising in Japan and consumer spending up, that 4.3% number. And yet there's still no inflation showing. As of yet, inflation has not shown up in the data. You got a move of about up 1% in the GDP, up 0.1% in the Japanese GDP deflator. And that was from 0.5% last month. So inflation not really showing its head yet, even though the wages are rising. All of this good for the Japanese yen as the dollar index declined slightly today. Japanese yen was strong, and it wasn't, at least today, on a flight to quality. This is Bob Iaccino talking Japanese yen futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.